Hello guys, it's time to do a speed test between the Huawei Honor 9 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2 2018. The Huawei Honor 9 Lite is much beautiful than the J7 Prime because it has a old aspect ratio 16:9 and this is a 18:5:9 aspect ratio infinity display from Huawei. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the J7 Prime 2 is a new phone from Samsung. It is launched in 2018 and let's talk about some internals. And the Samsung J7 Prime 2 2018 comes with a Exynos 7870 processor, and the Huawei Honor 9 Lite comes with a Huawei Kirin 659 processor. And you can see, I think you guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's quickly unlock this phone, and you can see everything is closed up in the background. 3 GB RAM on both phones. First we have the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see the Huawei Honor 9 Lite is a tiny bit faster because this phone comes with no animation. Let's launching the settings on both phones. Here we go. And I think the J7 Prime 2 2018 is faster. Launching the calculator on both phones. Here we go. And that was about the same on both phones. And Huawei Kirin 659 processor and Exynos 7870 processor. It's 3 GB RAM on both phones. Launching the first game application, we have the first Subway Surfer. Here we go. And both phones comes with a IPS LCD full HD display, and both phones not comes with a Super AMOLED display. This is the best display in my opinion. And you can see Huawei Honor 9 Lite is faster, and J7 Prime 2 2018 is still taking some time. And now it is also done, at about 2 or 3 second difference. Launching the Temple Run 2. Here we go. And I say the Huawei Honor 9 Lite is much beautiful than the J7 Prime because it has a glass body, but it is not durable as the J7 Prime 2 2018. And let's see who is faster. And the Huawei Honor 9 Lite is faster, and the J7 Prime 2 2018 is right behind. Launching the Candy Crush. Here we go. And you can see, Huawei Honor 9 Lite is again faster. Last opening up the application that is called as camera. Here we go. And you can see Samsung J7 Prime 2 2018 is faster. Let's show you the UI of this camera. And you can see, and the Huawei Honor 9 Lite giving you a AR lens, HDR, light painting, watermark, and time lapse as well. And this one is giving you this feature. Let's launching the Samsung internet browser on the J7 Prime and the Google Chrome on the Huawei Honor 9 Lite. Okay guys, I have launched the internet browser on both phones. Google Chrome on the Huawei Honor 9 Lite and Samsung internet browser on the J7 Prime 2 2018. And of course saying Wi-Fi network on both phones. First website is the wikipedia.org. Here we go. Let's see, and you can see Samsung J7 Prime 2 2018 is faster. And next website is the wwe.com. Here we go. And let's see who is faster. It is a big website. And you can see Samsung J7 Prime 2 2018 is faster, I think. And let's see, both phones is about the end. And you can see Huawei Honor 9 Lite is faster, and J7 Prime 2 2018 is still taking some time, and now it is also done. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. Important part of this video. First we have the phone dialer that not refresh on both phones, and you can see it is still in the memory. Calculator, Subway Surfer, no refresh on both phones. Temper Unto, and again both phones is really good in the RAM management. Let's see the internet browser is in their memory or not, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say both phones are really good in the RAM management, but the Samsung J7 Prime is some apps it is faster. And thank you so much for watching this speed test of the Huawei Honor 9 Lite versus the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2 2018. And this video is sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message. This shop will be very good for you to buy new and used phones as well, so please visit it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.